Notion versus AppFlowy, one's the productivity giant everyone knows, the other's the open source challenger promising speed and privacy. I've used both daily for months, and in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you which one actually wins on performance, features, data control, and cost. If you want more tech comparisons like this, hit subscribe now. Notion is the all-in-one workspace with databases, AI integration, team collaboration, and thousands of templates. Basically, the Swiss Army knife of productivity apps. AppFlowy is an open-source Notion alternative built with Flutter and Rust, focused on local-first storage, offline support, and giving you complete control over your data. Performance and speed. This is where things get interesting. Notion runs everything through the cloud, which means database-heavy pages can take 3 to 4 seconds to load, sometimes longer with poor internet. AppFlowy runs locally on your machine with full offline support, and pages load instantly. No loading spinners, no connecting messages. The difference is jarring when you experience it. Winner, AppFlowy, by a landslide. Features and functionality. Notion has the mature feature set, linked databases, formulas, advanced properties, hundreds of integrations like Slack and Google Drive, plus built-in AI with GPT-4 and Claude in business plans. AppFlowy offers the core Notion experience databases with board, calendar, and gallery views, /commands, drag and drop blocks, and AI assistance. But it's simpler. No linked databases yet, fewer integrations, and still catching up on polish. Winner, Notion for feature depth. Data privacy and control. AppFlowy stores everything locally by default. Your notes never touch external servers unless you choose AppFlowy Cloud Sync. It's open source, meaning the code is public and auditable. You can even self-host it. Notion encrypts your data, but they hold the keys technically. They can access your notes if required. Winner, AppFlowy for privacy-conscious users. Collaboration. Notion excels here with real-time editing, granular permissions, inline comments, and page analytics built for teams of all sizes. AppFlowy offers basic collaboration through its cloud service with up to 50 workspace members on the free plan, but it's less mature. No inline comments yet, and permissions are simpler. Winner, Notion for serious team collaboration. Pricing. Notion's free plan limits file uploads to 5 megabytes and caps databases at 100 rows. Plus is $10 per user monthly. Business with AI is $20 per user monthly. AppFlowy is completely free with unlimited local storage, unlimited pages, and no file upload limits. Cloud Sync is free for up to 50 members with 5 GB storage. Winner, AppFlowy crushes it on cost. Here's the bottom line. Choose Notion if you need a mature, feature-rich workspace with advanced databases, team collaboration at scale, and extensive integrations, especially for business teams. Choose AppFlowy if you prioritize speed, offline access, data privacy, and zero cost, perfect for individuals, students, or small teams who don't need every bell and whistle. For most solo users tired of Notion's lag and monthly fees, AppFlowy is a smarter pick in 2026. That's Notion versus AppFlowy. If this breakdown helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tool comparisons, and check the description for links to both platforms. Comment below which one you're using. I'll catch you in the next one.